Welcome to TOS 5. This video will introduce you to this powerful tool for the 5th edition of Dungeons & Dragons. Let's start with the control worksheet. The control worksheet allows you to load, save, or erase your character. The many buttons can be used to navigate to other worksheets, hide or unhide them. Users on the community forum have already created and shared additional content, which can then be loaded in TOS 5 using the Load Data File button. Character Status section informs you of anything incorrect about your character. To create our character, we start on the front worksheet. The front worksheet is split into two sections. The left side is the front page of the character, which can be printed. The right side has details on how the total values have been computed. The cells with a white background are where you can enter information. Cells that are highlighted are those that you need to fill. Enter a character name and select a race. Choose a class and the starting level. You can fill other details about the physical aspect of your character here. Once you have rolled your ability scores, scroll right and enter them in the rolled column. When you level up, you will be able to adjust your ability scores in the level column. There are many adjustments boxes that you can use to adjust values manually. The bottom left of the front sheet is used for combat details. 6 weapon slots are available to enter your weapon loadout. The bottom right of the front sheet has areas to enter your magical items worn, plus space for your gear. Note that in TOS 5, an up arrow indicates advantage, while a down arrow indicates disadvantage. The dark dot indicates proficiency. On the right side, the attack and damage table displays all relevant information about your selected weapons. This is useful if you wish to know more about all the bonuses that have been applied to your attack and damage. Let's go to the XP worksheet to set our starting hit points. You can use the XP worksheet to track your game sessions. You also need to fill in your starting hit points and those gained when your character gains a level. You can also track your experience points, which will also be displayed on the front worksheet. Use the Notes column to write down small reminders about your game, or any other relevant information. If we go back to the front worksheet, we can see that the experience points have been updated, and the hit points check marks are available for those who use paper printouts. Now let's visit the back worksheet. As you can read, there are some missing information we need to fill in the Customize worksheet. So let's get to that right now. The Customize worksheet is where you do most of your customization. The highlighted cells are those that we need to visit to complete our character. Click on the highlighted cell to jump to the area you need to fill. Enter the requested information, as per your preferences. Note that the background, while highlighted, is optional and can be ignored if you do not wish to use it. When you gain levels, you will need to visit the Customize worksheet again to set values for new class options that have opened up. Returning to the back worksheet, we can see that it has been filled with information about our character. On the right, some options can be used to hide certain sections. This worksheet can be printed. For those who wish to use the sheet dynamically, the dashboard is where the action takes place. The dashboard gives a resume of your character on a single page. The active effects table is the main feature of the dashboard. It allows you to apply effects dynamically on your character in the heat of battle. This means that your character will be automatically updated with the effects you have applied. For example, if a spellcaster casts a haste spell on your character, you can enter that in the effect name column or use the quick pick to select it. Doing so, you will notice that your speed has increased, your armor class was updated and you gained advantage on dexterity saves. Your character was dynamically updated, allowing you to focus on playing the game. You can also set the duration for the spell so that you can know when a spell has expired. When the next round starts, click on the plus round button to advance to the next round. Note the round counter has been updated accordingly, and the duration of your spell was reduced by 1 round. Use the damage and heal button to manage the damage or healing you receive while in combat. Use the trackers to track any aspect with limited use. I hope you have enjoyed this brief look at TOS 5. Thank you for watching.